Well, it's the official introduction to my channel. So here's where it all takes place, the man cave. Like, here come the puppies, they want to see what's going on. So that's Cuddy and there's Diesel. But here it is. So in here we got the project. The 1990 Foxbody Mustang. So we've been working on this car for a while. We've had it for about a year. Got fresh paint this summer. Went ahead and did the suspension, coilovers, UPR arms in the rear. I got adjustable lowers on it currently. I do have a full UPRK member for the car, just not in it yet. Just rocking the stock 5.0 motor, simple bolt-ons, exhaust, intake, electric fan, you know, like the simple old school Foxbody stuff. Did a basic restore in the car this summer. So we got the interior. It's pretty nice, all original. Just kind of cleaned and refreshed. Got the Pro 5.0 shifter hiding there underneath the stock boot and shift knob. So drove this car to Mustang Week 2018. Did the Foxbody cruise. There's my sticker. So just you know, the project. So today got a pile of parts here. We're gonna put on. We got a 306 short block. We're gonna build up this winter for it. So just dropped the heads off at the machine shop. I was cleaning those up. Got a video of that I'll post up later. But just my little parts pile here. So the roller rockers out the heads we were working on. So, but here she is, the official 1990. Let's get down in there. You can see just 5 lug converters. Race Star 17 front, skinnies, Mickey Thompson tires. Got the 15x10s in the rear, and Mickey Thompson SS. I drove this whole setup, skinny and all, to Myrtle Beach from Pennsylvania, which was about 600 miles one way in this car, the way it sits now. So all the trims new, late model restoration. I have to say, I love those guys. They got all the good stuff for these cars, all the stuff you need now. All little window trim pieces. I mean, look at these quarter windows on this car. Now I restored these. I had my buddy who's a painter. He kind of helped me on them because I messed them up pretty good the first time. So, but man, did he do a good job. And then all this trim's from late model restoration. The way it came, it looks so factory. Its back quarter's a little faded even. So new door handles, everything, all the other trim, windshield trim and rear trim was taken out and refinished and sprayed. So, but this is it. This is the project. This is where we hang out. Got the little workshop over here, deep freezer, toolbox, and air compressor and everything. So, but yeah, I'm gonna start getting these parts up. About all my stuff on Facebook, basically Craigslist. But man, Facebook's really taken over the whole used parts scene. So, you know, just gotta take these parts, kind of go over them and polish them up and make them look nice. Got some new stuff here that they've gotten on deals. Fuel pump, timing chain. Gotta have the ARP head studs, bolts. So we got some 30-pound injectors there with a, I think it's a Pro-Am mass airfoot meter, but I'm scared that's not gonna work. It looks pretty rough. So got the UPR cable and quadrant to put in the car with the new transmission. It's just a T5 rebuilt. We did, you know, reinforced bearing retainer, cluster supports. We did the brass shift fork bushings, carbon synchros. Just, you know, just factory rebuild, but with some hot rod aftermarket support. You know, it's got the 330 torque gear set in it. So I got this used aluminum dry shaft I'm gonna have to throw in here. So, but this is it. So always in here tinkering around. Figured I'd go ahead and start making some videos, posting up. See if you guys don't want to, you know, watch. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and talk to you soon.